It's fine,
Whoa,
bro.
why am I upside down? What's
I've
going
been
on?
through worse.
Bro.
What's
I
going
want
on?
Kool-Aid.
Why am I sideways?
Attention passengers, I currently have a tree branch on my ass. Someone please kindly move it. Thank you.
Attention, same.
I'm good, we good. I'm still straight. I don't know about you though.
Someone please take this branch on my ass.
Grasping onto this man's neck.
Oh, shit. Oh.
I'm being choked out.
I'm not
Wow,
the
this
sticky
fuck-
person no more.
Ew.
Huh?
Let's
What'd you say?
rewind.
I mean,
Nothing.
Let's rewind. That's not what I meant.
So do you.
Is there Kool-Aid?
bro,
in
where
this
am I
one?
at? I don't even know.
Bro, full
Yo,
on
why are we
both
having
eyes,
beef
right?
when we're all about to fucking explode? Oh, hello.
But like, is there Kool-Aid up here though?
Oh my gosh. Oh, dang.
Oh, shit.
Oh, where am I?
Who said Kool-Aid?
My head outside of
Give me
the
a cup,
thing
someone
right
give me a cup.
now.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit.
Bro, I was
Get
such
chill
My
out.
body's
Holy
made
shit,
of the
man.
protein.
You think your body's what?
I'm gonna call my mama. Tell her that I
Mangled
left
and
the
broken?
chicken in the
Do you not
fridge.
know what that
Mangled and-
means?
Oh, shit.
Nope.
Rest in peace.
That's beautiful. That comes from a boy.
Far
No
away.
one wants this.
I just
We're
listen
going
to
in here.
wade in the water.
Get over here.
Wade
Bro, I can't reach.
water.
Oh, dang.
Bro.
Yep,
Oh,
we're going.
shit.
Hey, dang, chill out.
And that's how I go falling down.
Since it's gonna be our last, we should f on the plane.
Huh?
Not you guys, him.
Oh,
Him,
yeah,
not you
yeah,
right
go
there,
ahead.
Not you guys.